Hey, Cookaholic Chef Kendra here, and today we are making a beautiful walnut maple topping for ice cream, pancakes, whatever is delicious. So let's do what we do and make it happen. We have sugar, walnuts, they're chopped. We have corn syrup, maple syrup, salt, and water. I'm gonna add the sugar, the water, the corn syrup, our glorious maple syrup, and the last thing, a little bit of salt. We're gonna give this mixture a robust stir. Now I'm gonna wait till it starts to boil. We wanted to stir it until it was clear like that. Now we're gonna let it boil. I'm gonna add the walnuts to it. And give it a stir and let it come back up to a boil. Once it comes back up to a boil, I'm gonna stir this all up for about 2 or 3 more minutes. I'm just gonna stir. Super easy. This is so good over ice cream. I love it. The stove is off. I'm gonna pour this mixture into this bowl. Yo, find this and other fine recipes at chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. Hey, thanks for watching. Share my videos and recipes, and if you haven't already, subscribe. That's all for this time. I'll see you next time. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.